Need a faster way to type on your Samsung phone? In this guide, I'll show you how to enable voice typing on the Samsung keyboard so you can turn your speech into text quickly and easily. Open any app where you can enter text, such as Messages, Notes, WhatsApp, or your email app. Tap on a text field to bring up the Samsung keyboard on your screen. Once the keyboard appears, look for the Settings gear icon. If you don't see it right away, tap the three-dot menu on the keyboard toolbar and select Settings from the available options. Inside Samsung keyboard settings, scroll through the menu until you find Voice Input. Tap on it to access the voice typing options available on your device. Next, choose your preferred voice typing service. Samsung devices typically offer two options: Samsung Voice Input and Google Voice Typing. Samsung Voice Input is integrated directly into Samsung devices, while Google Voice Typing often provides additional language support and advanced speech recognition. Select the option that works best for you. After making your selection, return to the app where you want to type and open the keyboard again. You should now see a microphone icon on the keyboard toolbar or near the spacebar, depending on your keyboard layout. To start voice typing, tap the microphone icon. If this is your first time using the feature, your phone may ask for microphone permission. Simply allow the permission to continue. When the microphone becomes active, begin speaking clearly and naturally. Your Samsung phone will automatically convert your speech into text in real time. You can dictate messages, create notes, or write longer documents without touching the keyboard. That's it. Voice typing is now enabled on your Samsung keyboard. Whenever you want to type hands-free, simply tap the microphone icon and start speaking to quickly turn your voice into text.